So actually you have got 3 double back cards, okay, and 1 normal card. The normal card is at the bottom, double back on the top. Counting, you have to do 1, 2, 3, and they should come on the top, the 4th one. Then you are reversing the 9. Then you are going for a triple lift. Go for a triple lift, leaving all the cards in your hand. Then you say, I am turning 9, but you have turned all the 3. So then it becomes 3 9s. 1, 2, 3. This is the normal card. And 4. Hold these top 2 as 1. Then tell them I am reversing the 2. All 3 9s double back are already open. And this is the normal clubs 9. Then put it at the bottom. Then you can also show all the backs as that's it.